The Puig 3177F ZX-6R screen is specifically designed for Kawasaki ZX-6R models from 2019 onward, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your motorcycle. This racing screen features a dark smoke finish, adding a sleek and aggressive look to your bike while providing excellent visibility and reducing glare. Crafted with aerodynamic precision, the screen enhances performance by reducing wind resistance, thereby improving the rider's comfort and stability at high speeds. Installation is straightforward and does not require any additional parts, making it a convenient choice for motorcycle enthusiasts looking to upgrade their ride. Safety is a top priority with this screen, as it comes with rounded edges that comply with German TÜV regulations, ensuring maximum protection for the rider. Each screen includes detailed assembly instructions and an aerodynamic study, helping you maximize the benefits and performance improvements offered by this well-engineered product.